everybody. So let's talk about the obvious. Why am I wearing a jacket fully bundled? Well, I came in this morning and my heat wasn't working, so it's pretty cold. But I do remember in high school, I had a math teacher tell us that if we're ever cold, we should just stand in the corner. And we all asked him why, and he said, well, because it's 90 degrees. Anyway, today I'm going to talk about this game that I think would work really well in the classroom. I was watching the NBA All-Star game over the course of the weekend, and I saw this game that some of the players were playing in between some of the events that they had there. So I'm going to go through that today. I think it would work great actually for any grade level. If you're a student and have never seen this, or you think you would like it, make sure you leave a comment about how you could use that in the classroom. Or if you're a teacher, also feel free to leave a comment and talk about how you can modify this for any grade level or any subject matter. All right, I finally got some heat back in here, so we're good to go. Like I was saying before, I was watching the NBA All-Star game, like some of the events that they had over the weekend, and I happened to see a couple players playing this game with these cups. Now I'm using smaller cups. I think you could probably use any size plastic cup that's rather light, like a party type cup. And what I saw they were doing, it was basically like a race of some sort, where they would blow up a balloon, and these guys were going head to head. So you could probably do this with like 3 different groups of kids. I think I'm gonna set it up where it's head to head. I got 10 cups here, and what the goal is as you blow up the balloon, you want to try and get each cup knocked over. But then you're gonna have to blow up the balloon again until all these are knocked over. And then what I want to do after that is once the kids have the entire line of cups knocked over, that particular student is going to have to come up here and answer some type of math problem, all right? And then from there, I'll decide whether it's correct or not. And then if it is, they go to the back, and then there'll be a new question, even for the other person that they're going against. It's whoever gets to it first. And then as they go through it, the person behind them is going to have to set up the cups. So in an ideal world, if you have 2 teachers in the room, it'll work a lot more smoothly, I think, because you can have one teacher keeping the score, making sure that the answers are correct. It'd probably be a good idea to have an answer key, and then another teacher kind of making sure that this doesn't get too chaotic. Like I said, I haven't done it before, but it looks like something that it would be really fun for the kids. Obviously, you're going to give each kid their own balloon for germ reasons. You know, we've had the flu outbreak a couple times. And then also with the cups, you can kind of go through the rules and let the kid know that the one behind is going to be the one that has to set it up for the next one. I'm sticking with 10 cups. You can either do more or less. Obviously, you can do this for any type of grade level, any type of subject. I think it would be really cool. As I mentioned before, if you're a student and you haven't done this, or if you have, leave a comment telling us like if you think it would be a cool idea to see in your class. If you're a teacher, you can also express some concerns that you may have, or a way to modify this for different types of kids, all right? Let me know, because like I said, I haven't done it yet. I'm going to try this later in the week. And if you try it, let me know too and see what kind of feedback you've gotten.